Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and if you're looking to take your site monetization to the next level, especially if you run a movie or streaming website, then you're in the right place, because today we're talking about Adsterra, one of the best alternatives to AdSense, especially for websites and blogs with no minimum traffic requirements. But we're going to focus specifically on how you can monetize movie traffic with Adsterra. Now, before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest AI, web, and tech trends happening throughout the year. Also, check out the detailed Adsterra tutorial that I've linked to in the video description below. I'm still going to show you how to monetize a movie website with Adsterra ads in this video, but in my other tutorial, I go into a lot more depth about how the Adsterra platform works as a whole, so be sure to check that out. But for now, let's get into the movie vertical. So if you're new to Adsterra, they are a global ad network that's been around for over a decade. They have a unique partner care approach and currently help over 35,000 publishers monetize their traffic, including movie and streaming websites, hence this video. Now, whether you're running a blog, a website, or even a social media channel, Adsterra offers high and competitive CPM rates, and the best part is there are no minimum traffic requirements. So even if you're just starting out, or maybe your traffic fluctuates throughout the year, Adsterra is a solid option. Now, let's talk about monetizing movie traffic. Movie websites and blogs are fantastic evergreen verticals because people are always searching for the latest films, whether it's a blockbuster or just an indie film. And the best part is new movies come out all year round, so the traffic doesn't depend on seasons. Additionally, setting up a movie or streaming site isn't as hard as you may think it is, especially with WordPress.org's new full site editor. This powerful tool allows you to design and customize your entire website, from the header to the footer, without needing to touch a single line of code. And with its drag and drop interface, you can easily create a layout that's perfect for showcasing your content, whether you're creating movie trailers, hosting live streams, or building a platform for on-demand videos. The full site editor streamlines the process, making it incredibly user-friendly and flexible for creators of all skill levels. So why is the movie vertical so lucrative? Well, Adsterra's stats show that publishers in regions like USA, Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, the Dominican Republic, and more consistently reach great CPMs. And this means better earnings for your site. And who wouldn't want that, right? Now, another big challenge movie sites face is users who have ad block enabled. And Adsterra has an anti-ad block feature for all of its ad formats, which makes it perfect for streaming sites. And with this, you can increase your revenue by up to 35% since Adsterra bypasses ad blockers. Plus, Adsterra offers some really cool and attractive ad formats that work exceptionally well on movie sites. One of the most popular is the social bar. This dynamic iframe-based ad doesn't interrupt your user's experience. Unlike traditional iframes that can make the page non-clickable, Adsterra's social bar allows users to click on ads, expand or collapse them, all while still browsing your content. It's engaging and it doesn't really feel like clutter all over the screen. You can see how it stays subtle, but at the same time, it's visually appealing. It keeps the user engaged without feeling invasive. Now, aside from the social bar, another must-have ad format for movie-themed websites is Adsterra's Pop Under ad. This format lets you customize the ad's frequency and trigger points, so you have full control over how often it appears. And here's the kicker, it has advanced ad block bypass features as well, making it a top choice for movie and streaming sites, where users tend to have ad blockers enabled. So with those two ad formats, social bar and pop under, you can significantly enhance your monetization efforts without ruining the user experience. And that's key whenever you're running a site that relies heavily on user engagement. Another major monetization opportunity that Adsterra offers for movie sites is through iGaming and esports offers. And these offers tend to skyrocket in conversions when placed on movie websites. So if you're looking for additional ways to diversify your revenue streams, this is something you'll want to take advantage of. So just to quickly recap, if you're running a movie or streaming website, Adsterra is an excellent network to monetize your traffic with high CPM rates, especially if you're in regions like USA, Brazil, or Mexico. The social bar and pop under formats offer engaging yet non-intrusive ways to display ads. And the anti-ad block feature ensures that you won't lose out on any revenue. Also, Adsterra offers some additional perks like fast approval. Your site can be approved in just 1 minute, and I'll show you that in just a few seconds. Bi-weekly payouts starting from as low as $5, and support for multiple payment methods including PayPal and local currencies. And if you ever run into any issues, their support team is a click away. Alright, that's going to do it for this portion of the video. Next, let's move on, and I'm going to show you how to get started with Adsterra, and I'm also going to show you how to implement those ads that we were talking about, the social bar and the pop under ads on a movie website. So we're going to walk through the sign up process, and then I'm going to show you how to get those ads up and running. Alright, so in this portion of the tutorial, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of signing up to be an Adsterra publisher. I'm also going to show you how to submit your website and get approved through Adsterra, and then also how to add a pop under ad format and additional ad formats to your website so you can start earning revenue through Adsterra. So the first step in the process is to sign up to become an Adsterra publisher, and you could do so by visiting my referral link blogwithben.com/Adsterra. I've linked to it in the video description below, and using my referral link is 100% free and will allow you to quickly sign up to become a publisher for Adsterra. And clicking on that referral link will bring you to the publisher sign up form that you're looking at right now. And then it's pretty straightforward from here. Just fill out all of the required fields and then check the box agreeing to the terms and the privacy policy and click the sign up button. And then not shown here, you will receive a verification email in your inbox that you signed up with, so be sure to keep an eye out for that and click the link in that email. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam folder, but either way, once you sign up and you verify your email address, you'll have access to your Adsterra dashboard, which is what you're looking at right now. And from here, we're going to add and connect a website or blog to this Adsterra account so that you can monetize the traffic landing on your site. So to get started, head over to the website section of the dashboard, which is what you're looking at right now, and then you'll click the Add Website button, and a pop-up window will appear. And this is where you'll enter your website URL, set the category, select your ad unit type, and configure the ad campaign type. So first, let's add our website. So in that first field there titled Website, enter your website's URL. Don't add any prefixes or the www, just enter the domain. And please note this is a demo website, so it looks a little funky, but you'll just add your regular domain here. Okay, next below that, you will select the category that best describes your website's content. So from that drop-down menu, find the category that you think is most in line with your content. All right, moving on to the ad units. This is where you'll select the type of ad units that you want to display on your site. Now you can only choose one right now, but you can add additional ad units to your site after it's been approved, and I'll show you how to do that in just a few moments. Okay, so for this example, we are using the pop under ads, so I will select that ad format. Then the last thing here is to configure the types of ad campaigns that will display on your site. By default, it automatically removes any erotic ads, but you can also remove additional ads from displaying on your site. So check the boxes next to the campaigns that you want to remove from showing on your website. And then after everything's filled out, click the Add button, and your request for approval will be sent to Adsterra, where they'll review and approve or deny your website. This usually takes just a few minutes. However, they'll make sure to keep you updated by email. So go ahead and click the Got It button, and then you'll see that your site has been added to your website management page and it will be listed as pending. However, keep an eye out for that approval email in the inbox of the email address that you signed up with. It'll look something like this and will be titled Adsterra Network. Your domains were approved. And then when you head back to your website's management page within your Adsterra account and refresh the page, you'll see that the website is no longer listed as pending. And if you click this little arrow icon, it will open all the ad units that you've added to your site. And you can see that the pop under ad is now listed as active. Okay, next you'll need to get the code in order to add it to your site so that you could start displaying ads to your web traffic. So in that little drop down where you see your ad unit, there should be a Get Code button. Go ahead and click on that, and this will display the script that you're going to add to your site. Now, a few things to keep in mind here. First, Adsterra will tell you exactly where this script needs to be inserted on your site, and this one is right before the closing head tag. And don't worry if this is all brand new to you, it's super easy to do once you know where to go, and I'm going to show you exactly where that is in a few seconds. But as always, if you do need some extra help, just click that link for some more info and access to the Adsterra help docs. Okay, so whenever you're ready, we'll copy this code. So go ahead and click the copy code button. There we go. And then once the code has been copied, we'll need to head over to WordPress so that we can add this code to my site. And the way that I like to inject code into my sites is with a plugin. So let's go through the steps to add the plugin really quick. So from your sidebar menu, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. And then in the search field in the upper right corner, search for WP code, all one word. And it should be the first plugin listed there. Go ahead and install and activate it by clicking the install button. And then once installed, click the activate button. And in a few moments, you should get a success notification that the plugin has been successfully activated. And then you'll also see a new menu item in the sidebar titled Code Snippets. This is what we're going to use to inject the code into our WordPress website. So within your WordPress dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen, hover your mouse over Code Snippets and click on where it says Header and Footer. And this will bring you to the plugin's global header and footer scripts section. This is where you could paste code that needs to be displayed in the head, body, and footer sections of your website. And depending on the type of code you have, it'll vary on where you'll paste it here. However, as I just mentioned, we need to paste our Adsterra code above the closing head tag. So within the header section, place your cursor in that text box and paste the code from Adsterra like so. Then click the save button in the upper right corner. And then you should get a notification letting you know that the settings have been saved and the snippet has been added to your website. So let's check it out and head over to the front end of my movie website. And then after the page loads, you'll see that there's an additional tab that loads in the browser to the right. This is the pop under ad. And when the user opens that tab, they'll be presented with the ad. Non-intrusive, but still presents the ad to the viewer, and you get paid for impressions. It's a win-win. Now, if your pop-under ads aren't displaying for any reason, there are a few things you could do to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, within your website section of your Adsterra account, they have some tips where if you click that show tips icon, it'll open up, and from here you can request to have Adsterra add the anti-ad block to your code. They even outline the steps here, but it's fairly straightforward. You'll just request the anti-ad block. Adsterra will then generate new code for you within your account, and they'll then notify you via email whenever it's ready. But to start the process, you'll have to click the request anti-ad block button, and in a few minutes you'll receive an email that looks something like this, letting you know that your code has been updated with the anti-ad block. So next you'll need to click that view code scripts button and replace the code that we just added to the WP code plugin with this new code. That will ensure that the ad block feature works and the ad should display on your website. You can also always reach out to the Adsterra support team and send them a message if you're still having trouble with the ads showing. Alright, that's going to do it for today's video on how to monetize movie traffic with Adsterra. If you're looking to get started, I've included all the necessary links in the description below, including my full review on Adsterra and the sign up link. And also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions, suggestions, or if you just want to say what's up. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're thinking about starting a blog, you got to check out my step-by-step tutorials. They'll show you everything you need to know in order to build, grow, and monetize a professional WordPress blog. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.